we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
Few months ago, we did our first tire test with a compact SUV, and the response was overwhelming, so much that you guys suggested that we should do more of this. So this time around, we are testing all the block pattern tires available on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Welcome to Evo India, I'm Suvrat Kothari, and I suggest watching this video till the end because we are going to be giving away all these tires that we are testing here today. But before we go ahead, do let us know what is the most important thing you're looking for when you're buying motorcycle tires. Is it the dry grip, wet grip, cornering performance, handling? Whatever it is, let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe to Evo India, hit the bell icon and give this video a thumbs up because we are going to be testing a lot of tires today. The Classic 350 can be had with 3 block pattern tires, the Seat Grip XL, Ralco Speed Blaster and Michelin Syrac Street. These tires, they are suitable for all kinds of terrain and are purpose-built to perform well both on and off the road. Okay, now let me tell you why we chose the Royal Enfield Classic 350 for this test. This is an enthusiast bike and we enthusiasts demand more from our tires. This is also an all-rounder, so it's able to handle your regular city commute, double up as a highway cruiser and also be happy on the road trip up to Ladakh. So to find out which is the best tire, we are going to go to Ladakh. Okay, no, we are not riding to Ladakh, but right here we are going to put these tires across a series of tests including acceleration and braking over dry and wet conditions and over gravel as well. So the first of the tests are 0 to 60 acceleration tests. Roshan right here, he'll be using all of the Royal Enfield Classic 350's 19 horsepower. To keep it fair and to conserve performance, we'll be testing at about 95% of the motorcycle's potential. In the scorching summer heat, there was no problem warming the tires up and the tarmac was as dry as it could get. In the dry acceleration test, the Seat Grip XLs offered minimal rolling resistance and clocked the best time of 7.01 seconds. The next test covers braking. This is the most important parameter on which to judge a tire, and it directly relates to safety. Slamming the brakes repeatedly heated the discs up, so we ensured there was ample time between the tests for the brakes to cool down. In the braking tests on dry tarmac, the Michelins delivered the best braking distance of 18.49 meters, becoming the only pair of tires delivering a sub 19 meter stopping distance. Wet roads reduce grip and any sudden throttle or braking inputs can result in the tires losing grip. However, all modern tires have tread patterns designed to drain water out. In our test, the wider gaps between the tread blocks of the Seat Grip XL gave it the best braking time and the shortest braking distance, making it the clear winner. Braking hard on gravel was challenging as the uneven surfaces unsettled the Classic 350. But thanks to Roshan's excellent control, the tests were fair and precise. The tires performed expectedly well thanks to the thick grooves and treads clawing into the surface for grip. For the second time, the Michelins emerged as the clear winner with the Seat Grip XL coming in at a close second. Now it was time to venture off the beaten path and sling some dirt. In gravel, the Seat Grip XL was the clear winner, taking 7.57 seconds to hit the 60 km/h mark. The last one is the ultimate test, the time trial. We've charted out a small off-road course for a timed run with each of the tires, and this will highlight all aspects of the tire's performance: acceleration, braking and cornering. The Grip XL was now dominating, emerging a winner as many as 4 times. With 27.4 seconds, it was the only tyre to clock a sub 28 second time. So what did we find out in the test? If your usage includes a fair bit of gravel, or you're buying a fresh set of tyres for the annual pilgrimage to Ladakh, then you should be looking at the C8 Grip XL. It provided good, consistent results, scoring 4 out of 6 stars, becoming the clear winner. We have a whole bunch of tyres with us here today and we are going to give them all away to you. Don't worry, they're like brand new, and the Classic 350, it has ABS, so there are no flat spots on these tyres. Tell us in the comments below where you will be riding out to, and the best answers will stand a chance to win a free set of tyres.